Hello everyone and welcome back to the Pram Pram project. If it is your first time on this channel, my name is Gigo. And today I want to give an update of this project and what I have been up to. I know it's been a while that I have worked on this project. The last update was bringing the sand on site and the stones, which are the chippings, on site, to continue with the third floor, which is going to be with just a single room as a penthouse. Progress on this project has been a little bit slow due to the Christmas holidays. I think the last time we worked on this project is about 3 weeks ago. I paused the project for some time so that I could also focus on myself, meet some friends, some family, go out, have some fun. Coming to Ghana and just focusing on the project is a lot of stress. So sometimes you also need to have a break, chill and enjoy. Ghana is a beautiful country with a lot of culture, so you need to explore and also learn whilst you are here. But yeah, Christmas is over and we are back on site. As you can see, we've already made some pillars, some columns, I would say, to hold the blocks. That was our last update, so we've done those ones. And we are here now forming new pillars. So we have the carpenter Efo who is doing this now. He's on going gradually. As you can see, we've already done all these pillars. This is also covered, and the ones here. We also have this one, which is also done now. So now I think the inner pillars are all done. So we are now focusing on the outer ones. So this one is also done. As you can see, we've laid some, we've made. So now we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more pillars that we have to mount. And when they are done mounting all the pillars, then we have to put the beams on top, connecting all of them together with the beam. And then we have like, I think 3 more course or 4 more course of blocks which will come on top of the beam. And then we are actually done with the block work. We've ordered for 500 blocks which we are going to use for that work. But one thing also we have to do is to do the staircase as well. We have to raise it enough high, and then we're going to do last decking, and then we're going to put a poly tank on top of it, and then we go for a hidden roof gutter which will come along this side. So we have to do another hidden roof gutter, so another concrete work and buying of iron rods and stuff. So as you can see, the same as this, we have to go see the gutter, hidden roof gutter. We have to do the same thing here as well. So we still have some work to do. That was my target, to get that thing done before leaving. So let's see how far it goes. We've spent much of the money on Christmas. So let's see how far we go. But hey, all work and no play, man, makes Jack a dull boy. So that has been the update on this project. And about the channel, I was surprised about the guys, what they are doing. These guys really mean business, man. So when we are talking about a production group, it's not just about me, it's all of us, man, including you, the viewers as well, and the guys that are being featured on the channel. So what they are going is that the channel is growing, thanks to you guys. Our numbers is growing higher and higher, and we see that we need, to produce a lot of stuff ourselves, so that we can help each other as well. Because if we have to be buying things from other people and be using it, for service, is quite difficult sometimes. So what a guy did was to purchase, some lands. As I always say, that there's a big, things happening at this Ningo Pram Pram district area. There's something big coming. So we are also trying to take advantage of that. So that is our surveyor. We purchased an amount of piece of land. I'm not going to disclose how many plots that we got, but it's quite big, for the production team. So we are, we got a demarcation today, so we just brought our surveyor on site that same day, takes measurements, so you can see how big that the land is. You see how far they are. So yeah, so the surveyor is there taking everything. We're going to do our papers ourselves. There are so many ways of buying lands, with time. For me, I always say I will share what I have gone through. I will share what I have experienced, not from what I'm hearing from people, but what I have experienced myself. They say experience is the best teacher, so I just want to go through the process myself, and then when I know much, I know how to get around things, then I'll be out here to share it with you guys, to help you guys also get yours. So that's how we're going. So that's our surveyor. So if you have a plot of land that you want to do a search at the land commission, we have someone who can help you with. As the saying goes, it's a production group. So we have everything from start to finishing of your house. So we are here to help. If you have a project, let us know, and then we will be there to help. So that's how it's going, and I'm very proud of the team. They've taken things to the next level. I wasn't thinking about this. So for me, I just wanted to build a house for myself and just promote the guys who are helping me to build my house, but they have seen the business aspect of it. And as I always say, this is just the beginning, man. This is just the beginning. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly please do so you don't miss out on anything. Please like this video to promote us as well. So the whole idea is to have a one-stop site or a one-stop shop or a plaza where when you're driving or you're walking, all you need is your idea and what you want, and then we're going to put it on paper, from drawing, from surveying, everything, building, painting, electronics. We're going to have everything from start to finish. So that is what we are working on, and we have another surprise which is coming very soon. So stay tuned on the channel. So this is how serious the guys are. So that same day, we brought some trip of stones chippings to the site to start the fence wall. I think the next day, digging of trenches and all stuff. We sell the stones, we sell the blocks, we sell the cement, we sell the iron rods, so it's not going to be a big deal. These are some of the things that you have to take into consideration if you are buying a land. You quickly have to act on it fast. That's why the same day that they came to demarcate the land for us, we brought our surveyor there so that they see that we are not joking. So if there's something wrong with the land, they will let us know immediately, because they are not going to let us take all those steps, if there's something really wrong with the land. So that's how it goes, and it takes almost 45 minutes to an hour for the surveyor to pick all the points depending on how big the land is. So if there's something wrong with the land, if people see you on the land, they will always show up. They will always come and ask questions, but during the process nobody came. But we also believe the source, the source that we buy the land from. We know that they own the land and they are selling the lands. So there are so many ways of buying lands, just to check and control. So this has been an update, a quick one about the production group, and also with my personal project here in Pram Pram. The rest of the team has been busy working on various projects all over. So stay tuned. I'll be coming up with some of the new projects that we are beginning. If you guys remember, I talked about the developmental, projects coming up, about the road construction and stuff. We have some clients that have taken action, and we are about to begin with their projects. It's also coming, it's loading. I just have to edit those videos and give it to you guys. It's a holiday season for me, so I'm also trying to work less and try to also have some fun before leaving. So I'm going to end the video here. It's taking too much time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for spending your time with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Let's do it.